Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to start a YouTube channel only using your iPhone. So you're gonna need only this, no extra devices and no money, free, whether it's iPhone 5s, 6, 6s, 7, 7 Plus, 8 or X. iPhone is iPhone. Okay, so I'm gonna keep my promise and you can run your channel even though whichever version it may be. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna cover YouTube, your analytics, your video processing and creating that step, and interacting with the viewers. All these would be covered, even changing a thumbnail. Okay, so let's start. So for this video I'm gonna use an iPhone 7 Plus, okay, which works. You can see this, and it is an iPhone. As you can see, there is no headphone jack. So first of all, go to the App Store. Then search for YouTube. You obviously have this because you want to start a YouTube channel. Why don't you have a YouTube to watch the videos? So then go and search for Creator Studio, which is on the first list suggesting us. Now also download this. I'm gonna explain what it does. Then go and download iMovie. Nowadays usually the Apple devices have them in their phones, but you know, if you do not have it, then download it. Okay, then go to the YouTube app. So this is your YouTube app. How to go to your channel? You have to, like, this is home. You will be opened here when you first open it. If you're not signed in, you should make it sign in by clicking this up corner. You know, you can see in the top corner there is my icon, DigiTube. Okay, now when you go to library, you can see your playlists and your history and other things, and in activity you can see who has liked your video, like in notifications which you get. You can see who liked it, and by clicking on your picture, your profile, you can go to my channel. In here you can see your channel. You can see how it looks to other user when they visit your channel, and you can just delete the videos if you want, but you would not want that. And if you want to upload a video, then you can see in the top corner on the left to the search icon, we have a camera with the plus icon. So in here we can, when we click on video, we can upload a video and add a description and tags and everything, but not a thumbnail. Okay, and I was gonna show you how you can add a thumbnail. Okay, so now that we know that this place, so now we can see that you can see your channel art, your profile picture, you can see your subscribers. And there is one thing, the views you see here are not always accurate. So for that, you can go back and open the Creator app that we downloaded. Now when you sign in your YouTube, you will be automatically signed in here, but here you are gonna see your views in real time. So almost in real time. And the bottom part you see your comments or recent comments, and in the middle you see these videos. You can click view more to see all of your videos. Here you can see your likes, your dislikes. You can change your thumbnail. I'm going to show you how to change the thumbnail. Now I'm going to click on levitation floating photography, and then we can just click on the top pencil icon then edit thumbnail. Now when you click on change, it's gonna open your photo library, your camera roll, and you can change whatever you want and then save it. Okay, so then you can go to dashboard, which is the same place. So you can go to view more, and here you're gonna see your real-time views and everything. And okay, so you can see all these things in the creator app. It's like your performance history and your record. So that's great. Now you can go back and you have both the things done, but now you want to edit a video, which you can do in iMovie. So you can click on iMovie, you can click on the plus icon, create movie, click on the movie icon. Now for example, if you have these two videos, we can click on create movie. It's gonna put them, you know, combined by themselves, but you do not like the videos like this, so you want to split it. Click on the video and click on split. Now you want to delete this, click delete. Now they both are here. So now you can change the transition. You do not want to change it to the other video directly. Click on the middle transition icon and you can choose dissolve. That's really weird, so it's gonna do the transition really smoothly, dissolve in between. And you can also do wipe, which also looks cool, but however you can choose anything. You can also choose fade, which is a simple fade, and you can also change the time of the transition, which is like 1 second, 1.5 in the bottom corner. You can see I'm changing it, and now if you choose 2 seconds, it would take too long for the fade. See, so it depends on your opinion. And now if you want to do a little bit of color grading, which is not too much good, but you can go to this last option. You can choose black and white, other options which you may like, but I do not. So it does not suit every situation, but sometimes it works well. So that's okay. Now if you want to write on your video, your YouTube videos, like you want to start it by saying hello, you can add text like write hello, and just delete all the other texts. Okay, so now we're done. Now when we start it, there will be hello on the screen. Okay, but this hello is not gonna go anywhere on this clip, so you can just split the video where you want it to end. So I'm gonna split it here. Now you can see on the other video we do not have hello, but on this one we still have hello. Okay, so what's the use of this text? Sometimes you want to add your Instagram, so click on the text like this one, and now you can add here that my Instagram or something like that, and it's gonna be really easy for you. So you can share information which you do not say or you want to highlight very easily with this feature. And you can also change the audio. If you want this clip to be silent because you want to add a music, so you can make this silent. If you want to add it more louder, so you can change it to 500%, which means that current volume will be increased by 5 times. So you do not want to blast your speakers, but you are going to keep it in a moderate value. Okay, so that's it. Now, like for example, if this video is done, we can click on done, and then we can click this, in the see the bottom 3 options. You can click the middle one and then click on save video, which is the 3rd option in the bottom. Click save video. Now it asks you for the quality. If your video is 4K, it will give you a 4K option, which If you do not like, then you can choose HD, which is 1080p or 720p HD. Both are really great, but 1080p is great because it is a normal quality, and not normal, very high quality, but it is taking less space than 4K. 4K usually take too much space, and it takes a lot of time while rendering. So that's how you do that. So now when you have the video saved, you can go to YouTube, click on that camera icon which is on the top to the left, okay, and then click on video. And now we like, for example, we want this video to be uploaded, then click next. You can add your title, you add your description, location and everything, and then click upload, and the video will be uploaded. Now when it's uploaded, you want this to have tags. How to have the tags? Click on the video. You know, there are some 3 dots to the right side. If you see your video, there is 3 dots. You can see I'm clicking it. So you can click edit, and now you have a tags option, so you can add you can add your tags. So the tags are really important for your videos to get views, and that's how you do this. And then change the thumbnail in your Creator Studio. So you have a whole YouTube channel running using your phone only, which is iPhone, and everything is free for this. You know, this video, I'm covering this video with all free items, and you do not need any money. Okay, so recording can be done with your camera, which is right here in your phone. Then you can go to the iMovie, you can edit the video, then you can upload it in YouTube, and then you can manage it with the Creator Studio. So that's how we do it. I hope you like this video, and I hope I taught you something that you did not know, maybe. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.